it's me, Gwen. This is not my channel. This is her channel.
So, my name is Rino Lizari Pivolangon. I live in Philippines.
She just came here for a vacation.
Yeah. I'm 8 years old.
And this channel is not gonna be about English stuff. It's gonna be about Filipino stuff because she doesn't know how to speak English that much.
Yeah.
So, Tagalog na tayo.
Okay.
This is her brother.
My brother. His name is
Cody.
Damon Cody Pivolangon. Got my video. Okay. And in the Philippines, we live in the Batangas, not in Manila. But pero ang gusto ko kasi meron ako 10 bata gusto na gawin. At isa yun ay mag-jumping rope, mag-Chinese garter, no 10-20 yun. At mag-piko, katintero,
Taya. Boomsak.
bamsak,
Baksak. Baksak.
and patawag topic, at iba pa.
Marami pa.
Marami pa. Kaya ganon, ako ay nag-video dahil
And this channel, what is your channel gonna be a challenge or stuff like that? Is yung mga videos mo ba about mga challenge stuff like that?
oo, minsan lang. Meron akong gusto ko din gumawa ng mga play-doh, maglaro sa labas, at
Pero ang video na to ay this channel ay para kay channel na to ay sa tatay niya, pero nagme-make siya ng videos para sa tatay niya. So, yeah.
okay. Salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you for watching and bye. Subscribe to me.